What's up everybody, Retro Django here, back with another beautiful Compaq desktop PC review. Look at this computer. I mean, it's so small, it's so compact, it's so compact. DeskPRO. Up top it says P500. This one has an Intel Pentium 3 processor running at 500 megahertz, and it has got 10 gigabytes of hard disk. It has got built-in floppy drive 144. It has got built-in slim CD-ROM drive. It's designed for Windows 98. This Intel Pentium 3 computer is an absolute amazing computer. I have got two of them. I've had this one for years and years now. I have to replace the battery, that's a given. So let's take a quick look at this computer. At the side here, you will think that it has got holes for ventilation. That's not the case. It has got built-in speaker. This PC is so tiny, it's so small, and it has got everything built in. It has got feet here on the side, which means we can just take it up here, turn it around here, look at the underside of it, just take a look at this beauty. No rust, no corrosion, no nothing. Feels like, I mean, it's over 20 years old and it looks like a brand new computer, right? PSU, COM port, audio. Yes, it has got an audio card built in that we're gonna take a closer look at. USB ports, parallel, built-in network again, COM port and PS2 mouse and keyboard. And the best part, built-in VGA also. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. And for the Hawkeye, you saw it has got a hole in here. Why? I'm gonna tell you why. That's actually the best part about this computer. So the way you open this one is actually, it has got this click system here that says click, and it has got the same click system on the other side. So you click them in and you just lift the top up. You have an instructions manual here for all the adjustments. Oh, just take a look at this beauty. Again, built-in speaker here. So this little thing, it's only the speaker. It has got extra screws if you want to mount, and these are proprietary screws from Compaq. Looks beautiful. Again, floppy and disk. It has got this green arrow on the side that says push here, and you will lift up like this. I mean, look at this. You can lift the hood on this one. It's just so well done. If we tip it over, then we can see that. Let's adjust the camera just a bit now, like this. You can see up top it has got two RAM blocks here, and that's fine. We're looking at MS-DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98 era of gaming. Okay, so huge spans of many years of gaming built in one little tiny computer. It's not an emulator, nothing like that. This is the real deal. I will replace the battery so it's brand new, of course. So as you can see here, we have got an Intel Pentium 3 processor built in. It's running at 500 megahertz. We have jumpers here that we can adjust. Beautiful stuff. All the caps, I've checked all the caps, no bulkiness. No, nothing. They look like brand new caps. Okay, beautiful looking. Cooling dash noise. Of course you can hear the hard disk, but the hard disk can be replaced with a very cheap CF card today. And the other thing, the PSU has this cooler only, and you can put in a cheap 80mm cooler here. It will suck in cold air from the vents here at the front. Cold air will go through this giant cooler on the CPU, go in here, and it will be sucked out here from the PSU. all great stuff. But the best part, second best, let's start with the second best. The second best is up here. Are you ready? Let's open this. The best part is down here. This is the second best, okay. It has got built-in ATI Rage Pro 3D graphic card that has got 4 megabytes of built-in RAM. So it has got onboard 3D card that can be upgraded with more RAM for the graphics card. It's so cool. It runs with Intel chipset. The audio card, I'm gonna show the audio card in a minute. It has got a built-in very cool audio card. But the best thing about this computer is if you want to play MS-DOS games. Look at this. 2 PCI, but 1 ISA slot. And you all know, with ISA comes great responsibility. Like Creative Ape 64 card. Of course, with this card installed, I can run all MS-DOS games. But let's start with just installing the new battery and powered it on with the built-in ATE Rage graphic card here and the built-in audio card, and listen to the built-in speaker also. All right. So Windows 98 second edition is installed. It runs with 128 RAM. And as you can see here, the onboard audio card is an ESS 1869 card. Now, that's perfect for Windows 95, 98 gaming, amazing audio. We just listened to the built-in speaker for a second ago, but and this card is just too new for MS-DOS games. I'm gonna show you why. But if you want to play the old MS-DOS games, the computer has got a built-in ISA slot, so you can always go in. If you want to play, let's see, Windows 98 game, Unreal, right? Unreal. With this game, the built-in audio card is perfect. And we have got this ATI 3D graphic card also. So this is the built-in speaker you're listening to here. With the built-in audio card. And it is an ATI Rage Pro 3D with 4 megabytes of RAM. Can you imagine if you did put in 4 megabytes more RAM? It will be a huge difference, I think. But if I want to play MS-DOS games, there's another trick. Something like this. I'm gonna tell you why. Yes. Awesome. That's awesome. What is this? So if you go into Duke, yeah. If we enter setup, alright, if we go to sound setup, choose sound card, right? Sound Blaster and settings 220, Sound Blaster Pro, RQ5, 16-bit 5, use these settings, 8 voices, 16-bit, stereo, 22 kilohertz. And if you test the sound now, great. So if you want to play MS-DOS games, you will have great sound effects with this built-in card. But if you want music, if you take Sound Blaster, test music, nothing. So that means, and if you take, it was a general MIDI G3, nothing. So if you want to play MS-DOS games, you need to install then you need to install something like this, a standard ISA card, to be able to play them old MS-DOS games. So this computer, I mean, I can hear the fan, but it's literally nothing, man. It's so quiet. Again, I actually have another one of these. I have used it for a long time, and this one was just in storage. That's why I just installed the battery. What a nice computer. If you see one of these guys in your country, we're running 600 by 800 VESA. That's so cool, man. I love this game.
Let's rock.
Let's rock. Oh, dude, it's so awesome. And it runs. It runs amazing. Oh, we should have the rocket launcher over here. Yeah, you get the idea. The computer is just so awesome, and this is my turbo review of the computer. Wow, man, absolutely wow. Let's see what this is. Sound Blaster 220, 225, 1, 8, and 7 launch. I think we will have shots again in Doom. Yeah, no music. That's a bummer. Isn't it cute? It has got this little built-in speaker also. Whoa. There we go. It runs amazing, right? So, why Pentium 3? Why not just a 486 computer? I'm telling you why. If I have a 486, I can play, you know, MS-DOS games, just like here. But I won't be able to play I won't be able to play Unreal, right? So by having an Intel Pentium 3, and the Pentium 3 was just so expensive back then. Oh my God, it was expensive. When they came out, me and my friends, we could afford AMD K62, 300, 400 megahertz, but not the Intel Pentium 3. We will all of us wanted to have the Pentium 3, but it was just so expensive. Man, I love this game. And with this setup, as you can see, we can play Windows 98, 95, and also MS-DOS games, guys. How cool is that? Oh, beautiful. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's a really nice computer, and it's quiet, it's beautiful, and I love it. Wow, man. Yeah. Until next time, enjoy some of my other PC videos. Hot this building speaker, man.